How to count the number of files in a directory using Python. How do I count only the files in a directory? This counts the directory itself as a file.
os.listdir will be slightly more efficient than using glob.glob. To test if a file name is an ordinary file, and not a directory or other entity, use os.path.isfile.
This is where fnmatch comes very handy. More details, this URL.
For all kind of files, subdirectories included, Python 2. Only files, avoiding subdirectories.
If you want to support the channel,